Teachers and students can find the videos in their resource by using the search function. From within the Units section or through the shortcut tabs. Click the search icon on the dashboard. Select the text and chapter to search and type in a keyword. All the videos for this topic will appear in the Videos tab. Videos are also in the Units section of a resource and may appear as an icon in the margin like this, or embedded within the content like this. Users can also jump to the videos within a section using the two shortcuts options in the Shortcuts panel and the navigation bar. Closed captions are available for all videos and can be turned on or off using this icon.